美国众议院选举上新的结果，共和党摕到亚利桑那州第6选区了后，掌握全院过半的席次。现任众议院议长 Johnson 有可能和共和党提名继续做。另外一方面，川普13去白宫，甲现任总统拜登参详交接的事项。
美国丹麦上任的总统川普13到华府进行拜会行程，这是伊胜选了后头一届登来首度款，这也是共和党自2018年了后，搁再摕到完全执政的地位，全党是欢头喜面。
They used to call Bill Clinton the comeback kid. This is the comeback king. He is the king. Okay.
Well, thank you very much. This is a very nice gathering, isn't it? Nice to win. It's nice to win. It's always nice to win.
川普当天搁去白宫和现任的总统拜登参详交接的代志，双方拢真好礼，气氛袂歹。
President-elect and former President Donald, congratulations. Thank you. And looking forward to having a, like we said, smooth transition.
Politics is tough, and it's in many cases not a very nice world, but it is a nice world today, and I appreciate very much a transition that's so smooth. It'll be as smooth as it can get, and I very much appreciate that, Jim.
另外，众议院选举上新的选票统计，亚利桑那州第6选区共和党的议员胜利，这互共和党在全院435席，摕到过半的218席，稳坐多数党的地位。现任的议长总统也得到提名，可能会当留任。不过，不少的众议员皆13向总统提出请辞，原因是伊互川普提名做司法部部长。消息一出来，是惊到美国的政坛。
Matt Gaetz has faced a couple different investigations in recent years arising from the same allegations. The Justice Department examined allegations that he had a sexual encounter with an underage woman. That investigation was closed without any charges. And the House Ethics Committee has separately embarked on an investigation that remains pending.
司法部2020年开始就对 Gaetz 进行小连续调查，内容牵涉到性剥削、人口走私案、无妥当的性行为、非法药物的使用。众议院伦理委员会今年6月公布的一份记录指出 ，Gaetz 唔但伫性方面行为真唔通，佮牵涉到真侪其他问题，亲像收无妥当的礼物、加选举资金转做个人的使用、想要干扰政府的调查等等。对此 ，Gaetz 是拢否认。 因若伫伊请辞核准了后，众议院的调查也会冻点，不久爱伫8礼拜以内选出新的众议员。公司新闻王慧文编译。